Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 387, Upgrading Managed WAF Rules. Back in tip number 334, I talked about using Managed WAF Rules, which are a set of WAF rules defined and managed by Microsoft. But what happens if those rules are updated? Will your site get those rule updates automatically? Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. When Microsoft makes updates to the Managed WAF rules, your site will not automatically get those changes. Instead, you'll see a notification on the Web Application Firewall page in the Security Workspace in the Power Pages Design Studio, with a button available for you to apply the changes. Note that once applied, there is no option to revert back to the old version. The ability to choose when those upgrades are applied is great, since a new untested WAF rule could have significant impact on your users. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 387 on upgrading managed WAF rules useful.